World Food Day is celebrated globally on which date? Which day?
16th of October.
On 16th of October every year. Is the first line clear to all of you? World Food Day is celebrated globally, means across the world. Got it? On 16th October every year. This day commemorates the importance of food, which we human beings must realize. We are actually forgetting the importance of food, right? On what to eat and what not to eat. It is well known that food is categorized into how many parts?
2 parts.
Junk food and healthy food.
Healthy food.
Junk food supplies all the nutrients needed by the human body. Clear? Whereas junk food supplies all the nutrients to our body?
No.
And all of
Healthy
you said
food.
yes. I said junk food provides all the nutrients to our body, and all of you are nodding your head yes. That means my speech was so convincing that you all managed to agree with me that junk food is giving all the nutrients, because I was speaking with confidence. It is healthy food that supplies all the nutrients needed for the human body. Whereas junk food, because of the preservatives and the oil that is used in it, it makes the human body weak and unhealthy. मैं कोई बड़े शब्दों का प्रयोग कर रही हूं? No, I'm just speaking what you all have spoken. World Health Food is also celebrated to know that we should not waste food. And what did you all say? That all the extra food should not be wasted but donated to the underprivileged of society in order to keep the balance of health as well as supply of food. Yes or no? Because unfortunately, there are many or innumerable number of people who do not get even two square meals to survive. Then what did one of you speak? That we should be grateful to our parents who are struggling or working very hard to provide us with good, nutritious food. Got it? Thus, I conclude that we must respect whatever we are getting and not waste, whether it is food, whether it is water, or anything that should be keeping the equilibrium in society. What is equilibrium? What is the meaning of equilibrium? Come on, note this word. What is the meaning of what do you understand by the word
Ma'am, equip or equal.
Wonderful, very good. And then it is equilibrium. Now tell me, what does it mean, equilibrium in society?
Ma'am, everyone being equal.
Very good. A balance in society. A balance. So to keep the equilibrium, the balance in society, what do? We must not waste food. We must share the food which otherwise be wasted, like at marriage parties. We just throw it away. People take so much, pile up their food on their plates. Just be simple in what you all speak. Am I clear, beta, all of you? Is this clear?
Yes,
how to go about speaking? So now, can I expect each one of you to speak just for 2 minutes after how I've spoken?